5 dangerous health risks if you're over 50 and not taking the right vitamins. Detect them quickly. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and utilizing essential nutrients. Many people over 50 unknowingly suffer from vitamin deficiencies that can lead to serious health problems. If left unaddressed, these deficiencies can accelerate aging, weaken immunity, and increase the risk of chronic diseases. 1. Increased risk of bone loss and fractures, calcium and vitamin D deficiency. Bone density naturally decreases with age, making bones more fragile. Without enough calcium and vitamin D, this process speeds up, increasing the risk of osteoporosis, fractures, and joint pain. Osteoporosis is often called a silent disease because it progresses without symptoms until a fracture occurs. Vitamin D deficiency also weakens bones by impairing calcium absorption, making even minor falls potentially life-threatening. To counteract this, individuals over 50 should ensure they're getting enough calcium from their diet or supplements and incorporate weight-bearing exercises to strengthen bones. Sun exposure or vitamin D supplementation is also essential to maintain bone health. 2. Memory decline and brain fog, vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is essential for brain function, nerve health, and red blood cell production. As the body ages, it absorbs less B12 from food, increasing the risk of cognitive decline, fatigue, and neurological damage. A deficiency in B12 can mimic dementia symptoms, leading to memory loss and confusion. It can also cause nerve damage, resulting in tingling sensations or numbness in the hands and feet, as well as persistent fatigue and mood disturbances. Regular blood tests can help detect a B12 deficiency early. Those experiencing brain fog, weakness, or neurological symptoms should consult a healthcare professional about supplementing with B12. Foods rich in B12, such as eggs, dairy, fish, and fortified cereals, can also help maintain adequate levels. 3. Weakened immune system and frequent illness, vitamin C and zinc deficiency. As the immune system weakens with age, vitamin C and zinc deficiencies make the body more vulnerable to infections, colds, and chronic inflammation. Frequent colds, slow wound healing, and increased inflammation are common signs of inadequate immune support. Zinc deficiency can also lead to a diminished sense of taste and smell, which is more common as people age. A diet rich in citrus fruits, bell peppers, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds can help boost immune function. In some cases, vitamin C and zinc supplementation may be necessary, especially during flu season or periods of stress. 4. Increased risk of heart disease and high blood pressure, magnesium and omega-3 deficiency. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and nutrient deficiencies can contribute to its progression. Magnesium is essential for regulating blood pressure, heart rhythm, and muscle function. A deficiency can lead to high blood pressure, irregular heartbeat, and muscle cramps. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation, support cholesterol balance, and promote healthy circulation. Without enough omega-3s, the risk of heart attacks and strokes increases. Including magnesium-rich foods such as nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains can help support cardiovascular health. Fatty fish like salmon and flax seeds provide essential omega-3s, but supplementation may be beneficial for those who do not consume enough of these foods. 5. Persistent fatigue and muscle weakness, iron and CoQ10 deficiency. Chronic fatigue and muscle weakness are common complaints among people over 50, often linked to iron or coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, deficiencies. Low iron levels can lead to anemia, causing symptoms such as dizziness, shortness of breath, and weakness. CoQ10, a vital nutrient for cellular energy production, naturally declines with age. Without enough CoQ10, the body struggles to produce energy efficiently, leading to sluggishness and decreased stamina. Individuals experiencing persistent fatigue should have their iron levels tested and consider incorporating iron-rich foods like spinach, beans, and lean meats. CoQ10 supplementation may help improve energy levels, particularly for those on statin medications, which can deplete CoQ10 stores. Final thoughts. If you're over 50 and not paying attention to your vitamin intake, you may be unknowingly putting your health at risk. Many nutrient deficiencies develop gradually and show no obvious symptoms until they lead to more serious health problems. Detecting them early and making necessary dietary or supplemental adjustments can help maintain overall well-being and prevent long-term complications. Medical disclaimer. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, supplement routine, or lifestyle based on the information provided. Would you like a breakdown of specific supplement recommendations or meal plans to help address these deficiencies? Let me know how I can help.